Hi, and welcome back to another video. Today's item is something that I'm pretty sure you're familiar with, and you might already have one of these at home. So today what we're looking at, this is a wall charger for your phone, tablet, or any other device that needs to be plugged into a USB. This specific one here is a quick charge 3.0, which I'm very happy with. It does a very good job charging. There's a lot of different kinds of fast chargers, but this specific one you can find on Amazon, a pack of 3 for just under $15. I already tried these out. I'm very happy with their performance, and yes, I do recommend them. Thanks again for watching. Please leave a comment, tell me what you think. Also, if you like this video, please like and subscribe, and we'll see you again in the next video.